Hello, VW Lifers. How are y'all today? Well, Matt Jackson, it's a rainy day here in Austin, Texas.
It is, and we're gonna pull out the Orange Menace.
Yes.
If you guys are into old Volkswagens, check out this video. We're gonna get this one out of here, and we're pull in the Harvest Beetle.
That's right. We got a big day today. The Menace is gonna kind of, it's a priority thing sometimes, and so today the Orange Menace. You guys love the Menace. Everybody loves the Menace. Well, we're going to scooch the Menace out because it's raining and bring a Harvest Beetle in, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, and pull out the interior and just...
Yeah, hey, we're going to make some headway because, hey, before you know it, it's going to be October.
Yep. One thing a day. All right, join us, won't you?
What do we do?
I say we strip the seats out of it.
You want to do interior today?
Cut the headliners. What we do is just fold the trash can up. Let's strip the fabric off the seats.
Yeah. Do you think we should start stripping everything off the outside too?
Well, then we gotta lay it all somewhere. Think?
Yeah, I had a tub.
I mean, all this junk that needs to be like the grab handles.
Well, I think what we're going to do right now is we're going to start pulling the interior out, this old stuff, get it kind of cleaned up so we kind of get a start where we need to be. So this is an original interior. It's beautiful, this red mesh, just something you just, man, can you imagine how beautiful that is when it was new? And the good news is it's going to look just the same like new when we're done with it. So here's a back seat. Still got some nice horsehair in there. Okay, be careful. Don't want to get the shit in your eye. Oh, it's wet back here in the corner.
Oh, that back window seal doesn't
Yeah.
seal very well.
All right, here's some old 54-year-old carpet. There's that. Okay, we're gonna need that rod to keep for the original.
Okay.
Don't throw that away.
The last.
You got that 17 again? I got. These weren't like stock, are they?
No, there's some.
But it's got both.
They're like standard. And they're late Beetles. They're not even. I don't know. No, there was a guy in air coolers years ago. He posted up. Hey, seatbelts are hot money.
Well, it is right here.
Oh, that's what's something's got to go back in it.
All right, we've got all the seats out over here.
Yes.
Look at how pretty they are. Look at this pile of vintage 1965 Volkswagen seats.
Oh, those are nice. I think you could reuse those, Matt Jackson.
No, it's gonna be all redone.
Yeah.
All right, now we have a quiz for all you Volkswagen guys. We want to know what this is. It's a little bent right now, and we don't know what it is, so maybe you can help us in the comments below. Take a guess. We think it has something to do...
It fits on a tunnel perfect.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Oh, thank you.
So if you know what this is, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so this is a all original cami tray.
You pull the red wire.
So as you can see, it says cami there. It's got a tear in it. but this is really cool.
Dick! That's a hammer, dude.
Here, let's see what we got here. We found a
Oh,
how to put on a condom.
Life Force AIDS facts for life. Look at that.
There you go.
Who knew they were using me as a model?
Price cabinet.
Oh yeah, Speed Racer.
I'll have to blur that.
Not if
Should be behind.
scratch the doors up, but I just need to get. Jeez, they're terrible. They're no good.
We're getting a new windshield for this.
Yeah, we already have it. It's already in the box. It's on the part.
Never been off the car. Too bad they're stealing.
Hey everybody, so on early Beetles, I've already got the door handle off, but you see they're held on with this pin. So what you have to do is get a very small punch to knock that through, and then it'll slide off of where it's knurled on there. So it's a little tough. You want to be careful. We're being kind of, right here. You see how you get a good view of that. So you're going to just get a little punch and just tap that a little bit. And hopefully, you get them, it'll slide right off. And there you go. So you got to be kind of careful. You don't want to lose these little pins. And then when you put it back on, it's just the same way. You just tap it right back in.
Hey Gary, what do you like to do when you're not working on Volkswagen?
Oh, Matt Jackson, nothing beats Volks America magazine when we're over here just kind of taking a break, sitting here. What a beautiful magazine. Got some awesome coverage of the Volkswagen scene, some great ads for all the folks out there that need to buy something. Always give yourself a chance to read Volks America magazine. It's the one I read when I need something to read.
That's right. This video is sponsored by Volts America Magazine. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get a subscription for yourself.
Oh, these guys are awesome. We love Volts America magazine. Make sure you get a subscription, folks.
I think we found a safety issue.
So, we are here at VW Life always say safety first. So if you don't have seat belts, the best thing to do is just to tie a knot in it. Would you look at that? Goodness gracious alive. Somebody was risking their life with that. Of course, it is a lap belt. I don't know how safe that is in the first place either, but, hey, safety first.
Nice and really good shape.
It's raining.
Yeah, Matt Jackson. I think some people call it a flood. Like 40 days and 40 nights. My particle spray is full of shit and it's gonna get all wet. But I don't have an umbrella on me.
It's always a pain in the ass to get this over.
Well, Well, everybody, we're sitting here working on the old Harvest Beetle, and you know what? Here's what happens sometimes when you start pulling off things. You start noticing a few spots that's had some water sit in it. You're dealing with something that's 54 years old. So what we're probably end up doing is we're going to put a little pan half in here. It'll be no big deal. You can see here, Martin's kind of poking at it. I've got a few little spots here. Battery tray, pretty standard stuff right there. So what we'll do is we'll just come here, get it real clean, put a new pan half in, tack it in, and I'll be good to go. So thank you for watching us today on VW Life. We've had a good day, and everybody say goodbye. Say goodbye, Chumley Green.
My real name's Ethan.